Hey there, let's quickly walk through how to change that weekly exercise time on your Generac generator. You know, the one with the Evolution Controller.
Is your generator deciding to wake you up at like 3 in the morning for its weekly test? Yeah, if that sounds familiar, don't worry. It's a super easy fix.
We're going to get that schedule changed in just the next few minutes. I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, right there on the controller itself.
Okay, so before we even think about touching the exercise schedule, there is one absolutely crucial first step. You can think of it as a little pre-flight check.
First things first, we gotta make sure the controller's main clock and date are actually correct. I know it sounds obvious, right? But if they're wrong, your new schedule is just gonna run on the wrong day. Setting a schedule is kind of pointless if the generator doesn't even know what time it is.
So just press the ESC button to get to the main menu. From there, use the up and down arrows to find the date and time screen. Go ahead and press enter to see what it's set to. And, if it's wrong, just use those arrows to adjust whatever's flashing and hit enter to confirm each part. The hour, the minutes, the date. Simple as that.
Okay, cool. With the clock set, we are ready to dive into the main task, getting to that edit menu. So, from that main menu screen, just press ESC if you're not there already. Then, use the arrow keys to highlight submenus and hit enter. Now, inside there, you're going to use the arrows again to find and highlight Edit. Press enter one more time, and that'll take you right into the exercise schedule settings.
All right, you're in. Now we can actually set the new schedule. Let's pick a time that works for you, not the other way around.
And you've got a few options for how often it runs. You can do the standard weekly test, or you can switch it to bi-weekly, so every other week, or even just monthly. Hey, choosing to run it less often can save you a little bit on fuel, which is a nice little bonus.
Okay, so the hour is probably flashing at you right now. Just use the arrow keys to change it, then hit enter. Next, the minute will start flashing, same deal. Use the arrows, press enter. After that, you'll set the day of the week, arrows, enter. And finally, the frequency will flash. Just select weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and hit enter one last time. That's it. Now you can press ESC to exit back to the main screen.
All right, and this next part, this is the final, most important step. Seriously, don't walk away just yet. This is the part that people always forget, and it's absolutely critical.
I'm not kidding. You have to do this, or the new schedule just won't run. All that button pushing we just did will be for nothing.
You have to put the controller back into auto mode. That big green auto light needs to be on. If it's not lit up, press the button so it is. Simple as that. So what is auto mode? Well, it's the setting that enables all the generator's automatic functions. We're talking about the exercise schedule we just set, and more importantly, starting up during a power outage. If it's not in auto, the generator is basically just sitting there, waiting for you to come out and start it by hand.
And that's really all there is to it. Super simple, right? Check the clock, set the schedule, and always put it back in auto. So, what other quick generator tasks have you been putting off?